Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Roomba charging error 8. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Charging error 8 indicates a communication fault with the battery, preventing your robot from charging securely. Now to resolve this issue, you need to remove and reinstall the battery. It's also important to ensure that you are using a genuine iRobot lithium-ion battery, as charging errors may occur with aftermarket batteries. If your Roomba robot vacuum continues to experience charging difficulties, clean the charging contacts to eliminate this error. Now, if the problem persists, you need to contact an iRobot customer care. Now, for an expedited service, you need to have the following information ready. You need to ensure that your robot is charged and ready or nearby, have your robot serial number accessible, and for warranty claims, provide proof of purchase such as a receipt or invoice from an authorized retailer. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.